People come onto Facebook to be entertained, to escape. They come onto Facebook when they're bored. Have you ever been guilty of just mindlessly scrolling on Facebook because it's just become a habit? Well, you are not alone. And the next time you go out to eat or the next time that you're in line somewhere, take a look and see how many people are on their phones. In today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 tips to increase your organic traffic, which will give you free leads on Facebook and grow your customer base. Tip number 7, one of the fastest ways to start getting more organic traffic and to expand your reach and to have people interacting and commenting on your posts is to ask questions, but not just any question. Make sure that they're a question that is easy to answer, like a yes/no question, or a true or false question, or a general opinion question. You can even ask your question as a poll and give people 4 options to choose from. Make sure it's something that can be answered really quickly and doesn't take a whole lot of thought process to come up with the answer. It can even be as simple as, which do you prefer, this or that? People love to share their opinions, and by asking questions, you give people a place to share their opinions. In addition to asking these questions on your profile, make sure that you also respond and that you acknowledge that they comment on your posts. This will help create a relationship. Since you cared about their comment and since you took the time to comment back, tip number 6. Have you ever heard the phrase, if you want to have a friend, you gotta be a friend? Think about the friendships that you have offline. You created them based around your hobbies and your interests and the conversations and experiences that you've shared. The same is absolutely true with Facebook. And the way that you create those conversations and cement that relationship is by commenting on their posts. If you see something that's interesting, stop, make a relevant comment. Don't just throw up an amen or an emoji. Actually try to create a conversation. You can ask them for more information about their post. You can tell them about an experience that you had that was similar. That's how you create relationships on social media. Let me know in the comments, have you ever created a relationship on Facebook and then actually met that person offline? Tip number 5, do you ever feel like it's always the same people commenting on your posts? Facebook has an algorithm, and the way that the algorithm works is that it will send out your post to a handful of people, and they base this on the people that have previously liked or engaged with your posts, because they figure that those people liked it in the past and they're probably going to like this post as well. When those people comment on your posts or like that post, Facebook goes, cool, this is a good post, it is valuable content, and then they send it out to more of your friends. And the way that they determine who to send it out to is that they look at the people that already commented on it, and then they send it out to more people that are just like that. If the people that are liking and commenting on your post are already customers, that's going to signal Facebook to send that out to more people that are already your customers. And that's not going to help you drive more organic traffic and drive sales to your business. There's 2 things that you can do to combat that. The first thing is that you can actually segment your friends on Facebook into specific groups of people. And then when you send out your post, you can either exclude those customers that you already have and say, hey, Facebook, I don't want you to send this out to these people. Or you can go into Facebook and click the specific list of people that you want to send it out to. And then it will only send it to those lists of people that you want it to be seen by. This will help ensure that it's not going to go to customers that you've already got, and that it's going to go to new people that you'd like to reach that are potential customers and leads for your business. The second way to combat is to start interacting with new people that you don't normally see on your Facebook feed. Think about this for a second. Can you imagine if you had a maxed out friend list of 5,000 people on Facebook and Facebook was showing you all of their posts every single day? It would be overwhelming. It would be daunting. It would be annoying. In fact, Facebook would probably not be a place that you wanted to hang out anymore because it wouldn't be something that you could handle. It would be like trying to watch all of the TV shows on TV in a single day. It would just be too much. So what Facebook does is it looks at posts that you usually interact with, and it will send you more posts like that from people. They also tend to send you posts from people that you've interacted with in the past. So if there are people on your friends list that you've never interacted with, chances are really high that you're not going to see their posts. Look for people that you have not previously engaged with. Click on their picture, go to their profile, and start interacting with their posts. Now, as you interact with their posts, it signals to the Facebook algorithm that you are in fact friends and that you want to see more of their posts. Consequently, Facebook will show you more of their posts. And since Facebook has now connected that you are in fact friends and that you want to see each other's posts, they will now start showing your posts to that person as well. Tip number 4 to increase your organic traffic on Facebook is to interact in groups that have your perfect people and are people that would be interested in your niche. As you go into these groups, don't be concerned about pitching your product or spamming up your link. Instead, be a cheerleader. Comment on people's posts. Take an interest in them. As they ask questions, find out the answers and go answer it for that person. As you interact with these groups, your name and your profile picture are going to start to pop up. And people inside of these groups are going to recognize you as being an expert and a leader in the industry. Consequently, they're going to want to know more about you. They'll go check out your profile. They'll see the other things that you're posting. And chances are also really high that they're going to be sending you a friend request. Not sure what groups you should be joining on Facebook? Click on the link below and come join the next round of the social media Blitz, where I'm going to show you exactly what groups you should be posting in, how to find those groups, and exactly what to post inside of those groups to position yourself as the expert. Tip number 3, create shareable content. What is your audience and your followers interested in? If you post content that they're interested in and that also shares their viewpoints and their ideals, they will click that share button and they'll share it with their friends. As they share it with their friends, they're expanding your reach into an audience of people that you don't know. And in addition, they're also signaling Facebook that they like your content so much that they want to share it with their friends, which means that Facebook's going to share it out with even more of your friends, and it's going to expand your organic reach even more. How do you know what's going to be shareable content? What do you like? What are your hobbies? What are your interests? It's going to be the same for your followers and your audiences if you posted in the correct groups. So as you share the things that you're excited about, they're also going to be excited about it as well. Tip number 2, use videos. The fastest way to create relationships and grow organic traffic is through videos. And as you do videos, people actually get to see what your personality is like. They get to find out if they really like you. They get to find out if you have things in common. They get to see what your personality is like. And it gives people a behind the scenes look at what your everyday life is like. And on Facebook, videos are awesome, especially live videos, because Facebook likes live videos, so they will automatically share it out to more people. And as people watch the videos, they'll actually go on and ask your friends that are watching, hey, you like this? Do you want to share this out with more people? You'll also notice if you watch your notifications that as people are going live, Facebook will tell you, hey, so-and-so's going live. We think you should go watch it. Click on this now and go watch it, which will automatically increase your organic traffic in a way that written posts simply will not. And last but not least, tip number 1 to increase your organic traffic on Facebook is to use Facebook's latest feature. As Facebook comes out with new features, they want people to use it. And so naturally, as you use what their newest feature is, they will promote it to more and more people because they want it to be popular, they want it to catch on, and they want more people on their platform to use that newest tool or that newest emoji or that new style of writing posts or doing videos. Make sure that you like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of the social media tips for growing your business online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.